Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pankaj, and today in this particular video, I'm gonna cover two topics that are really useful in data pre-processing. So guys, the two topics that I'll cover is rename columns, that how or what are the various way by which we can rename the columns of the data frame. And the next I'm gonna cover what are the various way or how to delete the rows or columns from the data frame. So before start the video, I will request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can always get a notification when I upload the interesting stuff. So now without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, first of all I have imported the pandas library, and then I have used the read function to read my data. Then I have used the head function just to show you that how my data is look like. So this is a bank data in which we have a lot of columns and we have details of bank. So what I will do, I have trimmed this data frame and I have changed the data frame, and now I have a data frame in which we have only three columns. Okay, now what I am doing here, there are two ways here to do or rename the columns. First of all, I just need to show you. If you write df.columns and hit enter, you get a list in which you are getting the column names. Suppose I just want to change it. Suppose I just want to change it like this. And now if I check df.head, so you can check now the column name is changed. But in this way, there is a one problem, and the problem is that you need to write the whole column names. Either you just want to change it or not. So what happen if you have a 300 or 400 columns, then it's really means hectic, or it's not a efficient way to do. So what we will in that scenario, what we will do, we will use this df.rename function in which we just need to provide a single column name, and by which you need to rename that column name. So in this, what you need to do, you just need to write df.rename, and then you need to write columns equals to, and then you need to write this is the column that was before that we have in column customer id. So now as I have changes to this, I'm gonna convert it to, in this I'm gonna convert back, and now if I run, you can check the column name is changed without interrupting the other columns. So guys, in this way, these are the two ways in which you can rename the columns. Next, if you want to rename the index, so you just need to write it like this: df.index.rename, and just provide the name whatever you want. I have just write pp, suppose I'm in bank data. So you can check now here my index name is changed to bank data. Next, I will cover the delete rows, that how to delete rows or columns from the data frame. So guys, the first method I'm going to show you, that suppose df.head, my data frames looks like this. Okay, my data frame look like this, and if I write this like a 0 or 2, so what happens, suppose forget about this, I just write 0. So what happened, it just delete the first row of the column. How it perform is, let me show you the documentation first. So what you need to do is, by default it's 0, means it's by default delete the row, not column, and the label you provide, it delete that particular label. So here I have provided the index 0, that's why the 0th row is deleted from the data frame. If you want to delete the multiple rows, so you just need to provide in a list. Suppose I just want what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write 1 comma 3. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to delete the first and third row of the data frame, and I've hit enter. So you can check now we don't have first or three rows in the data frame. And if you need to write, you need to write this in place equals to true if you need to override the main data frame. I'm not doing this right now. Okay, so Next, I'm gonna show you, suppose I just need to drop the column, not data means okay, I just need to drop the column. Suppose I just need to drop the surname column. So what I am, how I can do this, I can provide a surname here, and the next parameter I need to set is access equals to 1. This time it will work as a column. So now if I hit run drop, so you can check now the data frame is changed and the column surname have been dropped. Next we have this method. It's just like a list method in which the name you provide that will be pop out from the data frame. So I haven't done here in place equals to true. So if I will check the data frame, so my data frame will have 3 columns. Now I'm gonna do, I'm gonna store that surname column and have pop out that column from the data frame. So now if I'll shift enter and then I will check my data frame, so it's changed to the data frame in which we don't have this surname column. We also have this delete method that delete the data frame. If you write like this delete dot credit score, so here we have decrease and I'm gonna hit enter, and now if I'll hit enter again, so in data frame we don't have a this credit score column. So guys, that's all for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button, please subscribe my channel guys, and press the bell icon, and that's it. Bye bye, thank you for watching my video.